Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1, robot vacuum and mop. Ready for the smartest clean you've ever seen. This beast isn't just a vacuum, it's a powerful mopping machine too. With Matrix Clean technology, it tackles every corner with a precision grid pattern, giving you 30% better carpet cleaning than traditional robots. Got pets or allergies? The built-in HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, burned down to just 0.3 microns. And with Clean Edge Detect, it blasts air into corners and edges, or pulling dirt out of hard-to-reach places. Worried about mess? Its sonic mopping scrubs 100 times per minute. Perfect for stuck-on stains on hard floors. When it's full, no worries. The bagless, self-emptying base stores up to 60 days of debris, and you'll never have to buy disposable bags. It maps your home with 360-degree LiDAR technology. Jaden detects obstacles, and navigates flawlessly, even at night. Hair tangles, gone. The self-cleaning brush roll lifts pet hair, dirt, and debris from carpets and hardwood like a pro. Cupboard vacuuming, mopping, auto-emptying, mapping, and deep cleaning. The Shark Matrix Plus does it all. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. And upgrade to hands-free living today.